but I just want to make sure we don't hit anything there.
Alright guys, we're on a trenching job today. We got to dig up an old cable so they can run a new one. As you can see, there's the trench. You can see where it was. We're digging in the same path. We got to dig this part out by hand because we're right next to this box. Since we're done by hand, we'll get the machine over here and Blue can start doing that. But you can see there's our cable right there. There's our wire that we need to get out. Probably about,
a little more?
probably about 3 inches away. No, that's probably good right there, and we can pull it right off. This stuff is nasty. Really nasty. tooth here. Of course, this trench is flooded because of the water. It's literally running down that hill. So it is so muddy in here. We're making good progress. We've only snagged the cable once. There's been no breaks or anything, so it is still intact and good. So we are very close to the end here. This needs to go down a little bit more. Just finished getting the wire out, got it all to the side. We're just deepening this part here where the mini's on that side because we're not over the trench anymore. We're gonna get this all set and then we'll be able to get the new wire on. Just finished backfilling the trench. That is all set now. The only thing we got left to do is take the old cable and roll it up on the spool. Now I had to roll the spool all the way up that hill and tug most of the cable up there. Or we can roll it down. Get it all rolled back up where it belongs. Go for it. Professional roller. I'll try to guide it.